Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not on the right way. To go to the prisoner.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
There they are. Fire!
These steam pods just follow us. Take the list down. Go for me.
No!
No! I said down!
The stormtroopers are coming!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
Oh my
The
goodness,
Resistance
we're
will
gonna
attempt to
die.
rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields?
Get a
I
look.
see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run. Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This is short as a bat.
There's no escape.